guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be a nail swatch video. Basically, I am swatching my regular nail polishes from the brand Sinful colors. And I did get all of these from Walgreens. You can get these for, I think the regular price is $1.99, but I got them when they were 99 cents. So I just have a few regular polishes just in case I have any young girls or little girls that want to get their nails polished. I mean, not just saying this for young kids, but just saying that I do have some just in case they don't want the gel polish, even though the gel polish lasts longer. So as you can see right now, I am just unscrewing all the bottles off, all the tops off the bottles to make it easier for myself when I do the nail swatches. And also I do have some acetone next to me, so that way I can kind of clean up anything if necessary so it doesn't get on the actual stick itself. So as you can see, I have started, and this color right here is Sinful colors in Irish green. This next purple is Sinful colors Fuji, which is a nice purple. Now, just as an FYI, all polishes are going to need 2 coats. So you will see me going through all of the swatches with 1 coat. So this next color that you're seeing right here on the screen is called Hazard. That one is like a pretty peach color. Now this glitter one is my favorite, and it's called Frenzy. And you're definitely going to always need 2 coats of any glitter polish. As you can see, like as I'm moving it around, you can definitely tell you're going to need the 2, excuse my phone guys, the 2 coats of polish. This next pink that I have is, it's called Timbleberry. Actually, no, this one is 24/7, I'm sorry. The next one that I have is Sinful, is Timberberry. But this one is called 24/7. And it doesn't look like it needs a second coat, but it does. So now this coat, this color right here is called Timbleberry. So this color right here is called Dream On, which is like a pretty red-orange color. It almost looks similar to Hazard. Then this next color here is called Savage, which is really pretty. I think this blue actually might be my favorite. And excuse all the noise in the background. I am having some work done on the house. This color right here is called Sunburst by Sinful Colors. This really pretty glittery silver glitter is called Queen of Beauty. And this blue is called Why Not, which is very similar to Savage. This color right here is called Morocco. Pretty, like hot pink color, has a little bit of a red undertone to it. And my last 2 colors, of course, this is called Black on Black, which is a black. And this color here is a white, which is called Bubbly. It's like a sheer white pearl kind of color. So that's the last color that I have. So in the next few clips, you're just going to see me go back through to apply a second coat to all of the nail swatch sticks. And then you kind of see the opacity of the colors and why I am telling you to apply 2 coats. And then after that, you're going to let it air dry, and then you're going to apply your top coat. Okay guys, so I am finished with doing all my nail swatches. That includes applying the top coat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And comment down below and let me know what other things you want to see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!